This is the white cliff, or cliff and cliff, and this is how you set French doors. What you want to do is simply explain it. Let me know if I'm wrong here. So we had the opening set to 50 inches, right?
Correct.
All right, so the opening, rough opening was 50 inches by what, 62? 82. 60 by 50 by 82. All right, so what we got going on here?
We got a French door, which is one of the harder doors to install.
How we gonna put them in there? What's your plan of action?
Well, we're gonna get them inside the door opening, which is it gets them more stable then, so it won't go from side to side so much.
Yeah.
And then we just start shimming, and
On each side?
get you start shimming at the top, first at the top, and then work way down to the sides on it.
Okay. So you gonna walk us through this here?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Absolutely.
What
So we can get some nails in the nail gun. It'd be simpler instead of trying to do all that. There you go. Getting us some shims out. Put your shims in like this here. You want to slide it till they feel the gap, like so.
Mm-hmm.
That way your board don't be rocking on you. Come for you. We need, you know what though? Just come on down. There. Okay, hold on. That level? I say level right there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Every once in a while, because sometimes the studs don't line up right, you gotta go both in the same direction.
Using a 16 gauge. 16 gauge nail or what? 2.5 inch nails?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. So up at the top, just the top over there.
And so it wasn't level from end to end. So we're
Pushing
gonna
up on it.
push this side up a little bit to get it level. So this side has to come up
The hoop.
for the door to level out. Nah, it's level right now.
Yeah. Okay. Raise up a little, one more time, raise up. Okay, now go ahead. Okay. Got bubble level.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. Just when you see this here, that's right there touching, right? So now the bottom got to come out. So you're not pushing this over, you gotta be.
So he's level and flush this outside wall. I'll pop them nails in. So he's putting nail in here, and here.
Huh? No, let me get done till I get them all in there. Gonna see.
The top look a little bold. Is that all right?
Yeah, I mean, you want to either board up, trim it up, because this is a long board, so you want to either trim it down or trim it up. Is it board up? You know what they're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll. Once the door is in, we'll fix that.
Put it in.
Do a little tap on it, all the way down the hole. Did you see that? I'm talking about the spring. So we're gonna do a little work on this on the when the spring like that. So this here is too far that way. So when I went to big house, so this here was sitting flat. So right now, just spring. Let's see how it's going to go. See what we got.
What you saying about the spring? What spring?
The door, when you close your door, it should just stay closed right there.
Oh
But
yeah.
so I need to shim this out some more, so this here will let it sit flat.
What makes you think you got to push that outside?
I see my hands moving here.
Oh, I see.
When your hands moving like that, that's what you put on the hinge and they let it just move freely. What the door should be look like?
Tell me in the closet.
What?
Okay. Okay. You might know something.
I know a little something. So that's cool right there. So now this here,
You got to push down the top so that they'll lock in.
how that might be veal across the top look. The veal, is that even?
Now for sure.
Okay, so the only thing now, since we got a problem with this here, now this one here, the other side is good. See, I ain't got no, this wants to stay shut by, I ain't got nothing, this one here, it just stays there, but this one here wants to pull out. So with that, I'm taking this.
It's blowing in it.
Yeah. It's a little chilly right now.
Okay. That's good.
You probably hit the shims because you missed.
Yeah, I went to get the shame.
Was it that little foam piece in there keeping it from locking in.
That foam piece is like a spacer, but that's good right there. I like that.
Okay, so we had a little issue here. This reveal wasn't the same. Now it looks a whole lot better. So walk us through exactly what you just did to get this reveal here to be right, and this reveal across the top to be right.
So what we had to do, we had to level on it, leveling out. The bubble got to be exactly in the middle of these doors here. And it was off to the side about a 16th. So through that line off at the top there. So I had to take one of the shims out here and there, and then knock it back so that it got the door to make it level, which levels off the top part. Because it just stayed here, but we brought this part back.
Okay.
So it would level out the door.
Okay, so you removed the shim from there and removed the shim from there,
Right.
and then you went ahead and you
Tapped it back with my hand.
You tapped it back, and let's just show you, because I didn't get that on camera. You took another shim. Once you pulled the shim out, you
Took the shim like this, the fat end of the shim,
yeah.
put it here because I don't want to beat my wood up. So I take and hit it here on top of my nails
Boom.
and go down here and do the same thing.
Same thing. This
Okay.
thing, and they got us level. So that was kind of counterintuitive to what I thought. I was thinking that, heck, we could have just put another shim up here up top and it would have brought it down. But that makes a lot more sense, you know what I mean? You've been doing this for a long time, so you understand it a lot better.
Yes, sir.
And so they got us the reveal we want. It took us maybe about, 30 minutes, 20 minutes to get this door set. So what you want to do is simply explain it. Let me know if I'm wrong here. So we had the opening set to 50 inches, right?
Correct.
All right, so the rough opening was 50 inches by, 62? 82. 60 by, 50 by 82. But our door is 4 foot by 80. So we got 2 inches of play on each side. So when we got this door in here, we make sure one side is square first, right?
Right. Took the doors off the frame.
Made sure one side was level and plumb.
Correct.
And then we also made sure that this door came flush with the edge here as well. And so once we did that, we jumped over to the other side.
We had to make sure this was level, and so we had to push this up. Make sure the top plate, the top jam was level. And then once we got that established, I shimmed it at the bottom to hold it up there. And then you level this side off the hinges.
Okay.
You gotta use your hinges to level. You can't use the side where the hinge is. You gotta use the side where the hinge is at.
To make sure it's level.
Correct.
So when you're using your level, you put it on this side here, your 4 foot level on this side and not this side to get your levelness.
Correct.
Okay. And then he did that there. We put the doors on, make sure the reveals was right.
And since I had to pop that back, I'm gonna use my handy dandy nail setter here with the spring loaded. So I'm gonna use my hammer and see my nail coming back. It didn't go all the way in because I pushed my jam back. But I put this on top and reset it.
And if you like our videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Cliff and Cliff.